Place 2 paraffin lighter cubes on the charcoal grate and then place the chimney starter over the paraffin cubes. If you do not have paraffin cubes, you can use a few crumpled up pieces of newspaper and place them inside the lower chamber of the chimney starter. Fill the upper chamber of the chimney starter with briquettes, lift up the chimney starter, and light the cubes of newspaper. The charcoal will take 20 to 30 minutes to light fully. When the charcoal is lightly coated all over with white ash, it's ready to go. Put on 2 insulated barbecue mitts and carefully empty the coals onto the charcoal grate. Set the empty chimney starter on a fireproof surface.
If you have a collection of coals in one place, just use some tongs to position them evenly across the cooking grate. Don't be tempted to put too many coals into your barbecue, as this will create too much heat and therefore burn your food. Just 1 layer of coals will suffice. Once the coals are in place, place the cooking grate on top of the coals and then add the food. Remember always to place the lid on top. With the lid in place, this will help to keep an oven environment and also will help to reduce flare-ups. Open the vent at the top. This will allow the air to be drawn in through the bottom of the barbecue, pass through the coals, circulate around the food and then be pushed out the top, creating this oven environment I spoke about earlier. On a windy day, it is possible to close the vents by 50%. This will restrict the airflow going into the barbecue, therefore reducing the oxygen to the coals and reducing the temperature. Closing the vents to 50% is also great when your food is cooked and can help to keep the food warm.
I'm so tired of crying, but I'm out on the road again, on the road again. I said I'm so tired of crying, but I'm out on the road again, on the road again. I ain't got nobody just to call my special.